So one of the reasons I applied to the Leadership Institute is just because I've never had any formal preparation in becoming a leader for campus. Graduate school teaches us how to be great scientists or great teachers or great scholars, but it doesn't teach us how to become managers or leaders or give us any of the skills that we need for those types of things.
All of the sessions focus on different areas, because some of the sessions they started with first, what is the characteristic of the leader? They first start with these, and how can we grow those characteristics in ourselves,
The speaker that has impacted the way that I think in leadership is Catherine Church, especially where we were discussing how to resolve conflict. As a junior faculty, we really don't get to learn or get trained to know how to deal with conflict, especially now that I'm a investigator, principal investigator, and I have my own lab and I have my technicians. I have to be able to have practical tools in order to learn how to deal with conflict, anything that arises in the lab, and of course as well as with my colleagues.
Of course, the conflicts are unavoidable, and the good leader has to have skills to dissolve them. And then during that session, I learned strategies and tools that we can resolve conflicts efficiently.
How can we improve the listening habit, or the other habits, like how we're going to make a decision? Those are very important part, especially in the academia.
I especially liked the session on good decision making and how you can, control your emotions and temper your emotions and then make better decisions because of that. If emotion's not driving your decision making, because you tend to make very quick decisions when you're emotionally charged.
Also, I think working as a team has been something very beneficial that I can take as I go forward, because leaders can't do this alone. That's one thing we've learned. Working together has really helped me strengthen my ability to work with others.
We need our students, our women students, as well as our male students, to see that women have other roles, leadership roles in many different fields.
So it is very important to have more women in leadership position in UTRGV, because the women are better will understand the women faculty and support them, and also they have a different vision from the men in several questions. So that's why diversity is really important in leadership as well everywhere else.
Women faculty in the Leadership Institute helped me to look at any problem from the different point of view.
I definitely would recommend other women to apply to the Advanced Leadership Institute. Matter of fact, I'm encouraging some of my own colleagues to apply. I think this is a great way of learning about leadership, but I also would encourage men to apply as well, because I think it's healthy to have conversation between both women and men.
And I think having men involved is crucially important. You have to have men that are advocates for women, and that makes everyone's job better.
Having UTRGV very much investing in the development of the faculty is very important, because we are able then to have some kind of peace of mind as to where we stand in our careers, and that there are some people who are actually advocates for the faculty, and so that we are able to succeed in our field as a scientist, as a teacher, as a mentor. So I'm very thankful.